Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Trending Fashion. Welcome back another video. How are you friends? I hope all of you are fine and be happy. Allah Almighty give you a great and happiest life. So let's start my today collection and my today video. In this video, I am going to share with you a graceful photo collection and beautiful moment. Some old and some new pictures. A happiest moment of beautiful and world famous Princess Rajwa Al Saif, Jordan royal couple Prince Hussain and Rajwa Al Saif iconic look in my today collection. So viewers, video watch till the end and see a graceful photo collection and beautiful moments of this royal couple, of this beautiful royal princess, Queen Rania's daughter-in-law and Queen Rania's son. Beautiful and happiest moment, beautiful photo collection of Rajwa Al Saif of Jordan. So viewers, let's enjoy my collection and video watch till then. See a graceful photo collection and take great ideas from Jordan royal family's fashion, from Jordan royal family's beautiful dress design and lifestyle. I can bring new videos for you viewers of different royal families, princess, royal families, beautiful ladies. If you are worried about your wedding dresses and party wear dresses, so you can take great ideas from Queen Rania's dress designs, Queen Rania's lifestyle jewelry collection, Rajwa Al Saif beautiful moments and dress design. I can bring new videos for you viewers. If you want to see different princes of different countries, so please visit my channel Trending Fashion. On my YouTube channel you will be seeing such a graceful photo collection and beautiful moment of British royal families women, Swedish royal families women, Spanish royal families women, beautiful ladies of Spanish royal family, Danish royal family, beautiful Queen Margaret and Crown Princess Mary, Monaco's royal beautiful princess, Princess Charlene and Princess Caroline, Norwegian royal family, Princess Matt married, Queen Sonja, Martha Louise, and touch with us and take great ideas and see a graceful photo collection. So beautiful Prince Hussain, iconic look in my today collection, son of Queen Rania. So viewers, if you are new on my YouTube channel, you are not subscribed my channel, I request you please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon button to receive all new notifications, all new videos about royal families, royal lifestyle, royal personalities and royal celebrities. So take care, God bless you, have a nice day, see you soon in the next video with a different royal family, different royal princess and lifestyle.